Picture this. You're carving through rugged trails, effortlessly climbing steep hills, and cruising through winding paths without breaking a sweat. Sounds like a dream? With the Aventon Ramblas eMTB, it's your new reality. This electric mountain bike isn't just a tool for adventure. It's your passport to a whole new world of riding experiences, whether you're a trail enthusiast, a weekend warrior, or someone looking to make the leap into eMTBs. The Aventon Ramblas has the power, precision, and reliability to back you up. Let's dive in and discover why this bike could be your next ride, and why you should stick around Bike Hunt for more insights like this. Now let's talk about getting this beast trail ready. First, carefully lay the box on its side and cut the tape and plastic tie straps on the bottom edge of the box. Stand the box upright and remove the 6 white clips at the bottom. Lift off the lid and set aside the accessory box. Carefully remove the packaging materials, avoiding sharp objects that could damage the bike or its components. Use a hex wrench to loosen the 2 stem pinch bolts and the center top cap bolt. Turn the stem so the faceplate faces forward and secure the top cap bolt. Align the handlebar and reinstall the stem faceplate, tightening the bolts evenly. Install and adjust the dropper seat post lever to your preferred position. Make sure the dropper post is fully extended when setting your seat height. Lift the front end of the bike, remove the through axle, and align the wheel with the brake caliper. Insert the axle through the fork and wheel, then tighten it securely. Match the pedals to the correct sides and apply grease to the threads before screwing them in. Tighten with a hex key. Align the handlebars with the front wheel, secure all bolts, and attach any optional accessories like a headlight or kickstand. Charge the battery, check tire pressure, and you're ready to hit the trail. First impressions matter, and the Aventon Ramblas doesn't disappoint. With its sleek, hardtail frame crafted from single-butted aluminum alloy, this bike is a head-turner on and off the trail. The hardtail design keeps things lightweight and efficient, making it perfect for riders who crave speed and precision. The RockShox 35 Silver TK fork with 130 millimeters of travel ensures you're ready to handle anything the trail throws your way. Roots, rocks, or ruts. This suspension fork isn't just for show. It's highly adjustable, meaning you can dial it in for your weight and riding style. And the details? Aventon didn't skimp. Internal cable routing keeps things clean and sleek, while the IP67 water and dust resistance rating means this bike isn't afraid of a little mud or rain. Whether it's a sunny trail ride or a spontaneous adventure through a puddle-strewn path, the Ramblas is built to keep going. Let's talk about power, because what's in eMTB without it? The Aventon Ramblas packs a proprietary A100 mid-drive motor, delivering a peak output of 750 watts and a jaw-dropping 100 Newton-meters of torque. Translation? You're getting the kind of power that makes steep inclines feel like gentle slopes. Mid-drive motors are the gold standard for eMTBs, and Aventon nailed it here. The motor placement ensures optimal balance, giving you a natural feel while riding. Whether you're climbing technical switchbacks or blasting down fire roads, the power delivery is smooth, intuitive, and confidence-inspiring. Backing up that motor is a 36V, 708Wh battery, using premium LG cells for a range of up to 80 miles. Yes, 80 miles! Imagine the possibilities. Full-day adventures, exploring new trails, or simply pushing your boundaries further than ever before. And when it's time to recharge, the battery's easy-to-remove design makes the process hassle-free. The Aventon Ramblas is all about putting you in control. With 3 levels of pedal assist, you can customize your ride to match your goals. Need a gentle boost for a casual trail cruise? Stick to the lower settings. Want to crush that steep hill without breaking a sweat? Crank it up and let the motor do the heavy lifting. What's most impressive is how natural the power delivery feels. Aventon has managed to eliminate that jerky sensation that some e-bikes suffer from. Instead, the assistance feels like an extension of your own effort, letting you focus on the ride rather than the tech. The Class 1 e-bike classification means the Ramblas is trail legal in most places, with pedal assist support up to 20 miles per hour. You'll glide effortlessly over technical sections, feeling unstoppable with every pedal stroke. The Aventon Ramblas isn't just about raw power. It's about the perfect harmony between design, engineering, and high-performance components that work seamlessly together. Every detail has been thoughtfully chosen to enhance your riding experience, no matter the terrain or challenge. So, what's stopping you? If you're ready to experience what the Aventon Ramblas can do, now's the time to make it happen. Don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and let the trails be the judge. And remember, this is just one of many bikes we're covering here on Bike Hunt. If you want to stay informed about the best bikes, gear, and accessories, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Trust us, we got a lot more coming your way.